It's January 29th, 2025. It's 12:34. Technicians left about an hour ago. The refrigerator is still not leveled. You can see from here. You can see here. And here, it's close at the top on the right side panel, and then it's further out on the lower side of the panel. Same thing over here, but opposite. It's closed here. This is a lift panel, and then it's further away. It's not flush. And down here, not flushed. It's flush at the middle, sort of. That's the only place where it's flush, but everywhere else it's not. The freezer portion feels warm. The refrigerator feels cold already.